and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys something that I haven't done for a while, and it is HelloFresh. I got this like 2 years ago. I love it. I used somebody's referral link and I ended up getting one of these boxes for $20, you guys. And you guys can actually join today and you can get your first box for $20. You just use my referral link below and you guys will get $40 off your first box. Now you're like, that's expensive. $20 for your first box is not expensive. It comes out to be like $3 a person for 3 meals. So that's a pretty good deal. But what I say is just try it and cancel it. That's the best thing to do. I say, you know, just give yourself a try. Now, one thing I do like about HelloFresh is I've actually tried new things with HelloFresh that I never knew I was gonna like. Like, I was so scared to try asparagus, and it's actually pretty decent. I've been eating green beans. I won't eat it unless it's like super soft. But I have just been, my cat is back with me again, you guys. But I love it, and I have been trying new meals. So definitely check it out if you guys want. You just click my referral link below, and you guys can get that. So my cat's gonna join us, but husband's like, I want to get some meals, and I'm like, okay, that's fine. So every time you get a box, they always give me different packaging inside. It also depends on the weather. You know, sometimes it could be a hot summer day and this stuff could sit on your front porch for hours and it'll still be good to go. Or, you know, it could be cold. Ooh, they gave me some candy. So these are what they come in the box. So you guys can choose like different meals, and then they also have meals where you guys pay a little bit extra, but you know, I'm cheap. You guys are probably cheap while you're watching this, and we don't like to pay for more than what we have to. So I always choose the 3 of the main meals. So husband chose this one. This is countryside chicken legs with green beans, almond, and chive mashed potatoes, which I'm pretty excited to try. It looks like there's almonds in here. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of almonds, but you know what? I will try it. And most likely I will show you guys a video of all the meals, kind of what they look like. Now this is something Graham really wanted to try, is teriyaki pork luau bowls with kiwi salsa and lime crema. I'm kind of afraid to try this, but you know what? We'll try it. The only thing that I think scares me is the kiwi, which I can always take the kiwi out, and then there's long green peppers, but there's that. And then the last meal we're going to make is the chicken katsu with roasted green beans and ginger rice. And husband likes ginger, so he kind of basically chose this box. I thought we chose something differently, but that's what he chose. So that's what you get. And then this is the first time, but they gave me candy goodies. I got Lily's salted caramel chocolate, and I got extra dark chocolate. So they started doing some stuff from what I've heard. They also get, what is this? I don't know. This is 2020 vision. Had enough of reminiscing 2019. They're gonna be changing their box or something. I don't know. No idea. Just some recipes or whatever. And then they give you some coupons in here. Really, there's not much in here. Something for free coffee, but you gotta pay for shipping, grow collaborative, whatever. So let's just dig in the box and see what we got. Now everything is all prepared in here for you. Sometimes you just need to prepare yourself with salt and pepper. But this is the chicken katsu, or I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. And then this is the teriyaki pork luau bowls. Sounds like I'm saying balls. And then this is the countryside chicken legs. Now this is all like the vegetables and all that stuff that comes with it. And then they put the meat on the bottom. So we have our package of chicken legs. We have the chicken cutlets, and then they have the ground pork. And then there is an ice pack on here. This is actually a thinner ice pack. In the summertime, they really, like, they put an ice pack on the bottom, and then they also put an ice pack on the top of the meat, you know, to keep it really, you know, cold, so you guys don't have to worry about it. And then I'm just going to open a bag up to show you guys what you guys can get. Now, in the past, I've gotten bad stuff from the HelloFresh. One time I had meat that was leaking. I've had a couple things wrong, but you guys know what? If you ever contact them, they will help you out. They'll give you a credit so you guys can get another meal. But in here, we got some Jasmine Rice, and sometimes they give you extra than what you truly need, but I got Jasmine Rice. I got a very large green pepper, a whole onion, 2 cloves of garlic. We got a lime, a tomato that feels like it's bruised, but that's okay, a kiwi, and then we got some sauce by Kikkoman, sweet umami, and then we got, what's this, sour cream. So that is everything that they give you, and then if you guys need like salt and pepper and all that stuff, that's what they give you. So super easy. I will probably be doing a follow-up video to show you guys what these look like in another video probably next week. But if you guys enjoyed my little HelloFresh, give this video a thumbs up. If you guys have not joined, I say join. You can get $40 off your first box. That comes out to be just $19.95, I think, or $19.96 for a box. So that is awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed your day. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.